This is how to get the app Installus, which is a game downloader. It's pretty much the App Store, except for all the games are free. First you go into Cydia. And you go to search and you put in Installus. Here, it'll wait. I have to wait a minute. Oh my, it's very slow. You have to have a jailbreak to be able to get this, or you can't get it. You have to go. The jailbreak I have, I went to Red Snow. It's spelled REDSN 0W, not Red Snow. So INSTALLUS. Installus. For some reason my iPod's being really slow. Oh my, this is very slow. And then all you have to do after that is, if you already have a jailbreak, then all you have to do is download it, and then all you do is go into it, and just find the game you want. Hopefully it'll load. I don't know, well, but when you go find a game, you click on it, and when you click download, it'll show you a bunch of links to download it. I trust Cinspace.com the most, because it works the best, I'd say. So, I guess that's the end of my video. I've only downloaded probably 5 games. I haven't downloaded very many games. So, yeah. I'll have more videos up soon, so just keep watching my channel for more stuff, and don't forget to subscribe.